we guide you through how to change your Google Meet name. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Google account on your browser or mobile device and sign in using the account connected to Google Meet. Next, go to your Google account settings and tap on Personal Info. Under the Basic Info section, look for your current name and click on it. Now, type the new name you want to display on your Google Meet, then press the Save Apply the changes. After saving, open Google Meet again and your updated name should appear automatically during meetings. If the old name is still showing, try refreshing the app, signing out, and signing back in, or waiting a few minutes for Google to update the changes across all services. Keep in mind that changing your Google account name will also update your name in Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and other Google services connected to the same account.